वेलकम टू मात्री एकेडमी वन स्टॉप सॉल्यूशन फॉर ऑल बायोटेक एग्ज़ाम्स। आज हम ये सीरीज़ में आगे बढ़ते हुए चैप्टर 2 की ओर चल रहे हैं, जो है सेल साइकिल, सेल डिवीज़न, क्रोमोसोम स्ट्रक्चर एंड फंक्शंस। इनके सारे शॉर्ट नोट्स कंपाइल करके एक जगह दिए गए हैं। तो हम लेट्स स्टार्ट करते हैं इसको। डीएनए सिंथेसिस टेक प्लेस ड्यूरिंग एस फेज, इंटरफेज। ये क्वेश्चन बहुत बार पूछा गया। ICR, JRF 1995, 2000, 2001, ARS, IRI 2003, 5, 4, 1 सब में 0.3% of DNA of a cell is replicated in zygote substage, which has not been replicated during S phase of meiosis. This is known as ZDNA or zygote DNA synthesis. RNA and protein synthesis take place in G1 phase of cell cycle. Mitotic phase lies between G1 and G2 phase of cell cycle. ARSNet 2001. In a cell, if meiosis does not occur, then its chromosome number will get doubled. ARSNet 2001 का क्वेश्चन है. Cytogenetically, the definitive nucleus is diploid. ICR JRF 2003. In case of 100% chiasma frequency, the crossing over percentage is 50%. That is the ICR JRF 2004 question. Normal chromosome ends are telomeres. They are terminal knob in mage. ICR JRF 2004 question. Those chromosomes whose number and morphology differ between male and female are called allosomes or sex chromosomes. The function of centromere is the movement of sister chromatids. Vertical division of centromere give rise to isochromosome. Then structure of chromosome. According to multi-stranded model of chromosome, a metaphage chromosome has 64 DNA double helices and would be around 32,000 angstrom in diameter, whereas the chromatin fiber is having only 2 DNA double helices. The folded fiber model of chromosome was given by Dupuy in 1965. According to this model, chromosomes are made up of chromatin fibers of about 230 angstrom diameter, and each chromatin fiber consists of one giant DNA molecule. The nucleosome solenoid model was given by Kornberg and Thomas in 1974. It was the most widely accepted model. There are six nucleosomes per turn in the solenoid model of chromosome. The DNA core of nucleosome is called octasome. ICR JRF 2004. Mitosis is discovered by Fleming in 1882, whereas the meiosis was discovered by Farmer and Murray in 1905. Chromosomes are longest and thinnest in interphage, smallest in anaphage, and thickest and distinct in mitotic metaphage. Trillium species has got the longest chromosome. ARS 2012 question. Chromosome become the most distinct in metaphage state. IRI 2003 question. Metaphage chromosomes are highly condensed and as a result are not transcribed in vivo, although they support a little transcription in vitro. Chromosomes move apart in anaphage. IRI 2003. During cell division, two compartments are formed at telophase stage. IRI 2003. Chromosomes are bead-like structure seen in Pachytene stage of meiotic prophase 1. Chromosomes are most clearly visible in the dipteran giant salivary gland chromosome as dark staining bands. Plactonomic coiling is found in mitotic prophase, while paranemic coiling is found in meiotic prophase. Reduction division take place in reproductive organs only. ICR JRF 2000. Then longitudinal division of chromosome is seen in anaphase. ICR JRF 2003. Arrangement of chromosome on the equatorial plate take place in metaphage. Chromosomes which pair at meiotic prophase and are similar in size, shape, structure and functions are known as homologous chromosome. Heterochromatin is more deeply stained during interphase and prophase, but lightly in metaphase, and reverse is true for euchromatin. A stage of meiotic cell division when homologous chromosomes separate and move to different poles is known as anaphase 1. Synaptonemal complex formation, that is synapses, take place in zygote stage of meiosis 1, while crossing over occurs in Pachytene, and chiasma terminalization take place in diplotin stage. During Pachytene stage of meiosis, the unpaired segment of the normal chromosome of an interstitial deletion heterozygote produce a characteristic loop. In case of terminal deletion heterozygote, the segments towards one of the normal chromosome remain unpaired. A similar loop is also produced by larger duplication as well. Exchange of genetic material between non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosome take place in Pachytene stage. ARS 2007 question. Crossing over is the process of exchange of genetic material between two non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosome and it take place in Pachytene stage. ICR GRF 1999. Amplification of DNA take place during Pachytene and the amplified DNA disappears in diplotin. During Pachytene stage of meiosis, the unpaired segment of the normal chromosome of an intercalary deletion, heterozygote and duplication also produce a characteristic loop. That is a CSIR December 2003 question. Meiosis leads to 4 haploid spores. Nuclear envelope breaks down in prophase 1. That is ARSNet 2001 question. During meiosis, reduction of chromosome take place in anaphase. In meiosis, chiasma are first visible during Pachytene stage. ICR GRF 2004 question. Anaphase in mitosis and anaphase 2 in meiosis are the common kind of steps. That is ICR GRF 2003 question. Metaphase chromosome are the shortest and thickest, that is the most condensed state of chromosome. The largest metaphase chromosome are found in Trillium species. Its longest chromosome is 32 microlong. Complete pairing of homologous chromosome take place in zygotine stage of meiosis. ICR GRF 2004 question. In mitosis, prophase is the longest stage and anaphase is the smallest state. Metaphase is longer than telophase. When the centromere is located little away from the centromere of the chromosome, it is referred as submetacentric. ICR GRF 2004 question. The part of chromosome vital for its movement during anaphase is centromere. GRF 2004. The chromosome other than sex chromosome are known as autosomes. GRF 2000 question. The sex hormones were discovered by McClung. IRI 2000 question. Giant chromosomes were discovered by Balbiani in 1881 in dipterian salivary glands. The giant chromosome of Drosophila are also known as polytene chromosome. ICR GRF 2004 question. Lamb brush chromosomes are found in the oocyte of many invertebrates and all the vertebrate except mammals, also known as diplotin chromosomes. The loop of lamb brush chromosome and the puff of giant chromosome are the sites of RNA synthesis. Deletion in chromosome number 22 leads to Philadelphia 22, which cause myelogenous leukemia. Deletion in chromosome number 5 leads to Cry-du-Chat syndrome. Ordinarily, idiotypes are prepared for the haploid chromosome complement of a species. Deletion was the first structural aberration detected by Brisel in 1917 in X chromosome of Drosophila. The existence of inversion was first detected by Sturvant and Plunkett in 1928 in Drosophila melanogaster and Drosophila simulans. In inversion, a two-strand double crossing over produces two normal and two inverted chromatids. The smallest chromosome in human is chromosome number 21. The male sex determining genes are present in humans in the short arm of Y chromosome. Monoploids in essence are haploids of diploid species. Haploids are highly sterile. Sum total of gene present in the plastid is known as plastome. An organism with one extra chromosome, 2n plus 1, instead of the normal diploid 2n is known as trisomic. ICR JRF 2003 question. A cell or organism having one chromosome pair in addition to the normal somatic complement of the species is tetrasomic. ICR JRF 2003 question. The cells carrying chromosomes from two cell line within a single nucleus are called heterokaryons. ICR JRF 2004 question. In any crops, the number of monosomics 2n-1, trisomics 2n plus 1 and tetrasomic 2n plus 2 would be their haploid chromosome number. Wheat is an example of allohexaploid. Down syndrome, that is trisomic 2n plus 1 in chromosome number 21. Edwards syndrome trisomic 2n plus 1 in chromosome number 18. Patau syndromes trisomic 2n plus 1 in chromosome number 13. ARS NET 2001 and 2014 question. Turner syndrome is equal to XO. Klinefelter syndrome is XXY. Cystic fibrosis is a relatively common severe autosomal recessive disorder in chromosome number 5. Sickle cell anemia is due to recessive codominant autosomal gene albinism is caused by a recessive gene and is characterized by the lack of melanin in hair, retina, and skin tissue. It is due to the lack of tyrosinase. Lowest chromosome number is found in Haplopes gracillus 2n is equal to 4. ICR-GRF 1999 question. Ploidy level of allele layer of seed is 2n. The chromosome doubling effect of colchicine was first described by Black-Seeley and Nobel in 1937 independently. The conventional method of raising triploids is through a cross between tetraploids and diploids. Generally, triploids are sterile in nature. Sexual organ in plant, made by Cambrius in 1694. Arabidopsis thaliana 2n is equal to 10 is also known as Drosophila of plant kingdom. IRI 2003 question. Chromosome number 13 is the longest chromosome in humans. The haploid chromosome number of an individual is known as gametic chromosome number. Hollandric genes are present on Y chromosome. This is the question of ICR-GRF 2004. This is all about the short notes of chapter cell cycle, cell division, chromosome and structure and functions. So अब next जो है हम इसका chapter 3 का short notes बनाएंगे. So stay tuned to it. एग्ज़ाम के अच्छे से प्रिपरेशन करें. हम जल्दी ही मिलते हैं chapter 3 के साथ. Thank you.